It was a nasty day for FedEx after the tariff announcement, and it had a sizable drop. So I want to just review this chart quickly. Is this selling a real selling or a fake selling? First, let us look at it. With the gap, it had a nasty selling tail. That means there are conviction sellers who think lower prices are ahead. And if you notice it, all this type of thin pattern, there's another single print here, and it closed well towards the bottom half of it, confirmed by the point of control also that has moved down. So which means market is quite convinced that the prices on this stock is heading lower. This is a daily chart, and from 313 it has fallen all the way to $215. Since it's a 52-week low, I'm just going to the weekly chart and drawing a fib level to see where is likely going to be having the next support. So between the high and low, so I think it's 209. It's right now 215. 209 seems to be a good support. If you're shorting, just be cognizant that the option premiums are also expensive, so you have to be very careful if you're playing options, and have a tight stop loss, because if there is some reverse information about some tariff, some good news about tariff, that can have a big short covering rally. Good luck to all of you. Trading is a difficult pursuit. If anyone says trading is easy or making money in stock market is easy, be wary of them. It is a skill set that needs to be learned and acquired, and in that pursuit I have created a web-based training program that you can learn at your own pace, and I promise you will find them useful. Every tool that I have learned and how to apply, when to use, etc., you can learn from that. I know how difficult it is to just be unguided in this stock market. Just check it out. If it is not for you, you can always avail the money back guarantee, and it's not even that expensive. Thank you.